Okay, it's night one of our vacation. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear. We have a dinner reservation at 9 p.m. I woke up at 4 a.m. I'm tired. I need to add some like bronzer up here and some jewelry. Let's do that. This, my favorite Loving Tan. I'm gonna put it on this little brush, put in everywhere. Looks crazy, but it works. The difference once I've done that is unreal. Like I look much tanner. It looks like I've been on vacation. I packed this massive bag of jewelry, so let's see. I'm thinking like chunky bangles, maybe like a big earring. We'll see. Ooh, this bangle, it's like a green, but I feel like that's kind of cool. Maybe I'm gonna go with this actually. I don't think I want to do both. Actually, it's kind of cute. I'm gonna push it up. Yeah, it's better. All right, now I need some earrings. I think I'm gonna go with these. Kind of statement. Is that good? That's good. Okay, and then for a bag, the only bag I brought, besides like my beach bag. So I would normally pair this with the black and white look, but you know what? It's gonna work. It's beachy. It's cute. I just need to take the stuffing out of it, but I like it. All right, that is my look for the night. It's cute. It's easy. I'm very comfortable. I think it's good. I had the best night.